What's up, y'all? I'm back with another vid. Today I'm gonna be making buffalo chicken cheese fries. I got my daughter with me today. Say hi, daughter. So I'm gonna be putting this thing together. So I'm gonna start with the homemade cheese I made. This got a couple cheeses in it. This is hot. Give me a pot holder. I made some fries and I got some homemade cheese I made that I'm gonna be pouring on. We gotta drizzle that thing.
Different cheeses you got in there?
I only got like two different cheeses in here, y'all. I got mild cheddar cheese, Italian cheese, and cream cheese. So I drizzle the cheese on, and then I do the chicken breast that I saute in sriracha sauce and a little bit of honey, some garlic, a little bit of kosher salt and pepper. You know what I mean? Something like buffalo chicken cheese fries, my version of it. Then I'm gonna take some blue cheese crumbles and drizzle them on.
Don't come back there.
Baby joy. Blue cheese crumbles. Y'all see that? Alright. Man, that shit about to fall on the table. Then you got some.
Oh my god, my stomach gonna be bubbling.
Gotta have the sauce. Gotta have the sauce. You gotta have the sauce, y'all. You gotta have the sauce. Drizzle. You know what I mean? You gotta drizzle. You see how beautiful that look? Drizzle that thing. Drizzle. Yeah. To make it look extra pretty. Finish it off with a little parsley flakes. Alright. And this is my version of buffalo chicken cheese fries. Is that thing focused in? Y'all see that? Buffalo chicken cheese fries. Everything is made from scratch except for the fries. But everything else is made from scratch. Look at that. That look delicious. We about to go in, y'all. Alright. Let's go. And you can't wait over there scratching. Uh-huh. What's up, y'all? What everybody been up to? Like, I'm gonna try to grab your plates and come eat with me and my daughter so we can bust it up for a little bit. I got my tequila punch. He chilling tonight.
I got mine too. It's just not in a fancy cup like hers.
Come taste this, Swish. Make sure you grab some chicken, meat, fries. What's up, y'all? I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, what type of fries y'all like? Y'all ever, especially if you're in Philly, what type of fries y'all like to eat? Because in Philly, we got all kinds of fries. Cheesesteak fries, buffalo chicken fries.
A lot of people like cheesesteak fries. I don't know pizza fries.
Right, that's been a thing for a couple years now in Philly. I don't know if every city do that, but that's how we rock out. For real.
I never had cheesesteak fries though. Pizza fries I did when you used to make them. Pizza fries. Yeah. You used to be popping.
But everybody out there doing tonight.
That's a good combination.
I know everybody was out there amped up last night for the Super Bowl. We was just in the house chilling. We heard people out there shooting, twerking, wilding out. We just was in the house cooking, watching the show, and eating. I ain't even go nowhere. I stayed in with the kids. There was a lot of situations that happened last night. People stealing cop cars. They busting out windows. I'm like, well, why y'all had to do all that though? Like, y'all know, well, that's crazy. But I guess it was a good time.
The meat make it, oh my gosh, like the combination.
Why you have your trouble over there? It's fries right here. Sure.
Should have loved.
I don't even watch sports, y'all, but yesterday was so amped. It made me just want to turn the Super Bowl on and see what was going on. I really don't watch sports.
Everybody, me neither. Everybody hype on social media.
Everywhere.
Instagram. I see Eagles all down my timeline. A couple people was mad. They was Patriots fans, and they lost. But like,
this is this y'all for real. This one is popping. I sauteed the chicken breast in a sriracha and honey sauce before I cut it up and put it on the fries. You gotta be kidding me. This is popping. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Take a bite. Smell it.
Oh my god, it's really good. That's why I could taste in the meat, like sweet and hot.
I think it would have been good with like them steak fries, them thick fries, the seasoned fries too.
That's what you was gonna do that first.
Well, we ain't had none. I was gonna do the tater sauce, but it was gonna.
No, I'm saying that's what you gonna use seasoned fries at first.
Yes, sir. Them seasoned fries be popping. But I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe this video. Yeah, it is gonna be, but I mean, everybody was making their little Super Bowl stuff last night, and I just was like, you know what? Let me make my little stuff, cause I wasn't even trying to party.
Potato salad,
yes,
fried chicken, and
asparagus, garlic asparagus.
Seasoned asparagus. It was popping, okay. From the potato salad all the way down to the chicken. Everything was just so seasoned.
Everybody
and we had our drinks.
Yeah. Everybody probably hung over today.
I think a couple people on Instagram and Facebook was putting up their foods and all that, and it looked good.
Yes, if I would have done it, I probably would have got some hoagie trays and made some wings.
Everybody had baked macaroni, fried chicken.
Girl, you know, if I'd have done it, I'd have made like 3 different kinds of wings. Hoagie tray, the fruit tray with the dip. Girl, punch. We doing it up. We crawling through the window when the Eagles winning, like we just tore.
That's what I was about to say. We was gonna be bent.
Yeah, it's 3 different kinds of lick in that punch.
Oh my god!
Like enough is enough.
Oh no, I remember New Year's Eve. Oh my god! My mom was like, "I can't do it no more, y'all."
For real. I cannot believe you still was whoa. You talking about you came in at 7. I'm like, Kaisha.
I came in at 8.
Why?
I do not know. Like
I've been with the bed. Y'all still was talking 3 in the morning. I'm like, I'm out.
No, I think did you go to the house around like 4 or before that?
Before that, it was like 2 something, 3 o'clock. I said, I'm getting tired, y'all. I was tore. Y'all still talking like
No.
I don't even understand how y'all did it. We had 5 different kinds of liquor.
Tequila. We opened up. We popped the champagne. Then we had Bacardi. Then we had tequila. What? Oh, and 99 bananas.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God! Like
Everything.
I was so on, but I was surprised. Like I'm like, why am I still standing? Like
I don't know, but I wasn't.
I was done though at the same time, but I don't know. We were so on. It was just crazy. And my mom was like, "Well, I can't do it. I'm about to go lay down."
Oh, really?
You were standing there talking for a little bit. And you was like, "Mm-mm. I need to go to bed."
But y'all still was busting like, yo, come on.
We always have times like that. For real.
I'm trying to take a toll on you. It's time to wake up. You don't wake up the next day till about 4 o'clock, dehydrated, tongue stuck to the top of your mouth. You be like, I can't do this no more.
Yo, the next day, my head was like boom, 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 boom. I just kept coming out to get water all morning, like.
And then we do it all over again.
Then we keep saying, we ain't never doing it again. The next thing you know, it was Miss Terry, or you like, I'm about to go to the wine experience. You want some?
So here we go.
The scary part though about like drinking and stuff like that, you only remember what be happening the next day.
No, that's when you drunk the wrong shit. When you wake up, I don't remember what happened.
I'm saying that's how you know you was like lit.
Mm-mm.
For real.
Mm-hmm. We about to eat the rest of this off camera, y'all. We getting full.
Yeah.
And you know we got the itis. But yeah, I mean, we just wanted to share a little bit of, we'll be eating tonight with y'all. I ain't busted up with y'all in a minute, so I'm trying to figure out what y'all up to. But
I don't know. My stomach feel like.
Why you full?
No, I ain't full. It's just
Like, subscribe, comment, 2 thumbs up, share. Yeah, man.
Mom, excuse me.
For more on this vid, if y'all want to see some more of my creations, like I really be in a lab like a mad scientist just putting stuff together.
Yes, Lord.
And she can't wait till I put it together so she can dig her clothes in it.
Yes.
But
I always be like, I always be like, Mom, what you making tonight? I'm not your chef. You always want me to cook, but then she still get in the kitchen and be cooking.
It don't make no sense, y'all. But you already know the ropes. I'm about to eat the rest of this off camera. Y'all ain't gotta go home, but y'all gotta get out of here.